Now suppose if you want to intercept your request before going to server, you want to add some more values, and you want to see what is the exact request it is coming, and if you want to update those, it can possible in Fiddler. So for that there is one command called bpu. So what is the use of this command is it will put the breakpoint before request going to server. It will put the breakpoint for you. So using that we can able to intercept the request, and we can update the details, and we can proceed for the submit request. So to put the breakpoint, we need to run this command bpu space and your website. So once you run this command, it's ready to put the breakpoint for the request before going to server. So now I already ran this one. Let me refresh it again. So once I hit the F5, so hit, so breakpoint has come, and now so we have the two options here. So break on response, run to complete. Now I will put the run to complete this first time. So there is no any request is at this time. So that's why it's all are empty. So this is the response I have got. So I will show you what is the breakpoint for the response. So I will show you in soon. So this is the response. If you want to see in web view, then we have option. This is the web view for the response. So let me go and add some info. Let me go and add uh, value. So I have added 100, and try to submit the request. So once I hit the submit, so since I put the breakpoint, it got stopped here. Let me see the what is the request I am passing. Header is, so if you want to see the what is the header details are going, you can find those details here. In text view, since since in text box I have given the input values as 100, so you can observe here the same. So you can see that the request information input value as a text view, you can see same way we can also see in a syntax view, and on a web form. So input value body, so I'm passing uh, the request as in body, so that's why it is showing input value. So if you have any cookie, you can see here raw data. This is the raw data. So if you have any JSON, the JSON details will appear. If you have any JSON request in XML, if you have any. So these are all the request details we can find here at present. This is the value I have given in the text box for the and hit the submit. This is the request I am sending to server. Suppose if you want to intercept these details, and you need to give some unwanted information. So like this I am giving. So this not at all valid information. So I have intercept the input value with this details, and I am saying run to complete. Let me go and run it. The request got succeeded, and I have got the response also. Let me go and see here. If you observe here, see, so user has given the enter the value as 100, but in between using Fiddler I have intercepted request. I have updated the details like this. This how we can intercept the request in intercept the request, you can update the details in using Fiddler. Let me go one more time and let me give some invalid information. So minus is not really is not integer, so it should throw an error. Let me go and I hit the submit. Let me go and intercept the details. So now I will give valid data here 100. So since so user has given -1, but I have intercept value with the positive number and I hit the run to command. Let me go and see what is the response I got. Actually I should get error saying -1 is a valid number. Since I have intercept the details and I have modified the details, I get the proper values.